Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to rotate text around circle illustrator. Let's begin. First of all, create a circle. I do not use fill, only black. Hold shift. Okay. Stroke 17.7. Okay. Then press Ctrl C. Press Ctrl V. Okay. Then hold click text. Type on a path. Click and type your text. Text color. Example, I use white color. And type anything around circle. Paragraph fill. Okay, then click and show this corner, rotate. Hold shift, resize or align middle. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.